Elite 9/11 planner open to working against Saudi Arabia. Senate fails to override Trump veto on Saudi Arabia. Regime attacks kill 15 in Syria's de-escalation zone. Iran owes to cut more obligations under nuke deal. 5 Haftar's commander killed near Tripoli, GNA. UN condemns killing of 5 children in Sudan protest. 5 protesters shot dead in Sudan, medics. Rohingya return, Dhaka provides fresh list to Myanmar. Rohingya rejects Myanmar's foreign citizen offer. 2 US service members killed in Afghanistan. Pakistan, 17 killed in military airplane crash. Pakistani Prime Minister expected to visit Kabul.